Hi, I just thought I'd make you a really quick little video talking about the flute and assembling it properly. Remember we talked about there was a head joint, a body, and a foot joint. And when you attach them, you always use a twisting motion to twist them off and on. That's the best way. So you twist it on, and then you align the bar on the foot joint to the middle of the key here. So this bar lines up to the center of these keys. So if it's like this, you might think that's how it goes, but it doesn't. It goes like that. And then the head joint down here, the hole, the embouchure hole, remember this is the lip plate. The embouchure hole lines up straight on the center, where am I? Center of these keys. So if you look down the flute, if you look at the embouchure hole, it should line up with the center of the keys, starting with the second key. So this should line up the rod on the foot joint, center of the keys, all the way down to the center of the head joint. And that's the good starting alignment. Sometimes you may make adjustments, twisting the head joint just a little bit in or out when you're working to try and find the best tone. So that's about assembling the flute. When you take it apart, same thing. Use a twisting motion to take it apart. And then when you put your fingers on, the flute should really be balanced between, you push it on your chin, and then this hand is like pushing it so it holds it on your chin, and this one is going that way. This front hand's going this way, and then it's on your chin. So your fingers are pretty freed up. You might want to put your pinky down here at first, but then your fingers can move really easily, so you can play fast passages. And then just work on getting a nice tone. Like try moving your head up and down. Make a nice round little oval with your lips. Blow steady. If you want to put these fingers down on your left hand and your thumb too, and have your pinky on, it's a nice G. You can try soft and loud. Okay, so just practice that. Just practice blowing, get it set up right, and then see if you can get a good tone, the best tone that you can. All right? Love you. Happy playing.